Hey guys, I finally have another video up. I'm so sorry it's been so long. I'm just super busy all the time. I'm always working, getting ready to move. But Halloween is my favorite time of the year for makeup. For this look, it's really simple. I laid down one little line of latex and then covered it with cotton and then added on another layer of latex and cut it up after it dried just to make it look more realistic, like my skin was tearing. Now for the creepy skin tone that I'm putting on, I mixed around some gray, a little bit of green and blue, and black from the Makeup Forever Flash palette and created this creepy kind of like dead demon skin tone. Shaded around underneath the ripped part just so it looks like it has dimension. So for my eyes, I started out with the black base from the Makeup Forever Flash palette and then I set it with the black from the James Charles palette and blended it out. I then used the same shadow to contour my nose. I noticed it was looking a little flat from this gray base that we have here on our face. And then after that, I went ahead and shaded around my eyes. I added some eyeliner to make my waterline black as well, and some black lashes. Now for this whole next part, I thought my camera was on, which it wasn't. I just shaded around this area with some red from the Makeup Forever Flash palette and some red eyeshadow to set it in, and then added on some little black veins around my face to make it look more scary. So I felt like this look was missing something. I decided to white out my lips and add on the same color that we have for the gray on my lips, just to kind of make it look like whatever is going on my demonic part of my face is also coming out of my mouth as well. Then I added on some of those black veins to make it look more scary, and that's it. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.